Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Antony Vijay. Today we are going to discuss about string concepts in C++ programming. When I talk about string, it is used to store multiple text in a single variable and it can be represented by double quotes. So first of all, I am going to compare the string with the character. So let's see with a small example. So first, as usual, we have to start with the header file #include IO stream. Then we have to mention using namespace std in order to avoid namespace collision. Then we have to mention the main function with the return type integer. After that, curly braces we have to mention. Now I just mention how to use character. So we have to use char. This is a data type. It can store only one character at a time and it can be surrounded by single quotes. Okay, so here I have creating a variable name a equal to, within a single quotes I am using b, end with a semicolon. Okay, now I am going to print this cout with the extraction operator a semicolon. At the end we have to mention a return statement because I am using main function with a return type integer, return 0. So I just build the code, it is showing no errors, then I run the code. Okay, so we are getting answer as B. Okay, so this is what character. If I use two characters within a single quotes, it will show you error. Okay, because a character can have a capable of storing or having only one character. So this is out of range. So for that purpose only we make use of string concepts. So with the help of string concept we can have lot of words within a double quotes. So now we will be seeing about string. Okay, so now I replacing the character with a string a equal to, so now I am going to mention within a double quotes. Okay, I am mentioning my name Antony space Vijay. Okay, let's see the output. Now I build the code, it will not show you any error, see, because I have changed the data type. Okay, so and I have mentioned within a double quotes. Okay, here I have mentioned two words, so you can have a lot of words. Okay, no problem at all. So for this, for example, I have given only my name. Okay, let's see the output of it. See, we will be getting the answer as Antony Vijay. So this is what called as string. So the main reason of string is in order to store multiple words in a single variable and it can be surrounded by double quotes. This is what the main reason of string. Okay, now we will be going to see about how to concatenate two strings. So here I am using string a equal to Antony Vijay. So just I remove Vijay from here and I am going to create a new variable b. Okay, string b equal to, within a double quotes I am using Vijay. So in the cout area I am just using a plus b. Okay, so here a is Antony and b is Vijay. So in the middle of both the strings we will be having plus. Plus means concatenation operator. It is used to join two strings. Let's see the answer of it. So we are getting Antony Vijay. This is what the answer. Okay, so this is what the way of concatenating two strings. So here you can have two strings but you cannot add one string with any other data type. For example, just I am replacing with a number 10. Okay, so here b is a number but a is a string. You cannot concatenate both the values because both are different data types. Okay, so you will be getting error. Okay, see, in order to convert this number into string you just surround this 10 with the double quotes, that's all. So 10 will be converted into string. Now we will be getting answer as Antony 10. Let's see, Antony 10. This is the way. Okay, So whatever data type value you are having, just surround with double quotes, automatically those data type are converted into string. This is what called as concatenation. Let's see the other way of doing this same process. So here I am using a dot append of, okay, append of b. Here also same process, same whatever plus operator is doing, same process to be repeated here also. So in order to concatenate both the strings, we can make use of both the operations. So here A means Antony, B is 10. So with the help of append, it will add the 10 at the end of Antony. So let's see the answer. So we are getting answer as Antony 10. So I just replace 10 with Vijay. So I can get my name. See, Antony Vijay. So this is the second way of concatenating both the strings. Now we will be accessing one character from a whole string. So here I am going to access t from variable a. So I just remove the variable b from here. So I just replace this a dot append with a of, I just going to access only t from Antony. So every character supposed to have an index value. For a it will be 0, and for n it will be 1, and for t it will be 2. So in order to print only t, you just make use of a of 2, that is enough. So we will be getting answer as t only. Let's see the answer. See, we are getting answer as t. This is the way. Okay, in order to access a single character from a string, you just make use of index concepts. And you can also update a character from a string. For that, you just make use of a of 2 equal to single quotes, I am using k. It means in the place of t will be replaced with the k. Now I am going to print the whole string a. Okay, so here the t will be replaced with the k. Let's see the answer. See, t will be replaced with the k. This is what the updation process. Okay, next we will be identifying how many number of characters here. Let's see. So in order to count the number of characters in a string, there are two methods are there. The first method is you can make use of length, Length. This is the first method. We can count the number of characters. See, the answer is 6. The second method is you can make use of size also, a dot size of. This is the second method. So both the methods are same only, no difference in it. You can use any one of the method. See, that also getting 6. This is the way we can get the length of a particular string. Next, we will be going to see about how to use runtime input in string concepts. Okay, so first of all, I just removing this Antony. So string a semicolon, I am declaring a variable a. Then I am using cin. Okay, cin insertion operator, then a end with the semicolon. Then I am going to use cout. The entered string is equal to within a double quotes. Okay, then I am going to print a. Okay, end with the semicolon. Okay, so let's see the answer. And now I build the code and run the code. Now I am going to type the input as Antony Vijay, but the problem is it will not print the answer as Antony Vijay, it will only print Antony, because after space Vijay is there, that will not be considered with the help of cin. Cin is one of the drawback in string concepts. So let's see the answer. See, the entered string is Antony only, thus after space we are having Vijay, that will not be considered in cin. Okay, keep in mind. In order to avoid this problem, we make use of getLine method. Let's see about it. So I just replace this cin with the getLine. Okay, so getLine means we can give as much length of input. Okay, for that purpose only they have given name as getLine. So getLine has two parameter. The first parameter is cin, and you have to give the variable name and end with the semicolon. So now once again I build the code and run the code. Once again I am giving Antony Vijay, but now we will be getting the correct answer. See, the whole string is printing here. So this particular getLine is better than cin. So most of the time, if you are dealing with string concepts, you better go for getLine. Cin is not preferred for string concepts. Okay. Next we will be going to see about how to avoid using namespace std in C++ programming. So first of all, I am going to command the second line. Okay, now I am going to modify small thing in main function. So near to string I am using std scope resolution operator. Okay, so this particular std scope resolution operator is for avoiding the namespace collision. So here also you have to mention std scope resolution operator. So this particular std scope resolution operator supposed to be near to data type, predefined function, cin, cout. So in all the areas you have to mention std scope resolution operator. If you mention like this, name collision will be avoided. At the same time, the second line using namespace std also avoided. No need to use that also. So okay, let's see the answer. I just build the code. No errors. See, no errors. Okay, so we are not considering the second line, but we have added small modification, that is std in all the areas. You have to mention in data type and predefined function and cin and cout. In all the areas you have to mention std scope resolution operator. Okay, now I build the code and run the code. Once again it is asking the input. Okay, I am giving. See, we are getting answer. Okay, without any error or flaw, we are getting proper answer. Okay, so this is also possible. So this second line also can be avoided, but you have to do some small modification within a main function. So this is what string concepts. So guys, if you are having any queries in this topic, just mention in the comment box. And at the same time, if you want to take any new topic, that also mention it. I will handle in the upcoming session. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you very much for watching.